Hello. Today, I want to address a topic that I think is on many patients' minds. As you know, obesity surgery is currently performed in many centers in our country. We're a notable country in the world in this regard. But there can be significant price differences between centers. Patients may naturally wonder why there's such a difference, why it's cheaper in one place and more expensive in another. Obesity surgery is a procedure that is highly dependent on materials. In other words, we use serious medical materials in these surgeries, and these materials are quite technologically advanced. As you can imagine, there are also significant differences in the quality of these materials. These quality differences are one of the factors that change the price of the surgery. If you use good materials, it gets a bit more expensive. If you use cheaper materials, the price of the surgery can be a bit cheaper. This is one of the factors that can change the price of the surgery. Another factor is that after the surgery, the process is actually just beginning for the patients. And this process needs to be monitored. If you tell the patients, "I've done the surgery, so goodbye now," you can't conduct the treatment that way. That's why it is absolutely necessary to follow up with the patients for at least 1 year. This process is also a factor that can change the cost of the surgery.